Guinea fowl. It has a round body and spotted feathers. It makes loud sounds and eats bugs in the garden. Peacock. It has shiny, colorful tail feathers. It opens its tail like a fan to show off quail. It's small with a tiny head feather. It lays lots of eggs and hides in tall grass. Mule. It's a mix between a donkey and a horse. It's strong and helps carry things. Yak. It has long hair and curved horns. It lives on cold farms in the mountains. Zebu. It's a type of cattle with a hump on its back. It lives on farms in hot countries. Buffalo. It's big and strong with curved horns. It helps plow fields and gives milk too. Goose. It has a long neck and a loud honk. It guards the farm and loves water. Pigeon farm. Pigeon. It coos softly and flies around the barn. It can carry messages and find its way home. Ferret. It's long and playful with soft fur. It keeps mice and rats away from the barn. Silky chicken. It has fluffy feathers like fur. It's calm and loves to be held. Highland cow. It has long horns and shaggy hair. It lives in cold places and looks like a furry giant miniature horse. It looks like a tiny horse. Kids love to ride and care for it. Rat farm. Rat. It sneaks around at night. Farmers try to keep food safe from it. Bee farm hive. It's small and fuzzy with wings. It makes honey and helps flowers grow. Icelandic horse. It's small but strong with thick fur. It can walk on snow and ice easily. Kunekune pig. It's small and fluffy. It's friendly and loves to graze grass. Exmoor pony. It's small and brown with a thick coat. It lives on farms and in the wild. Lincoln longwool sheep. It has very long curly wool. Farmers use its wool to make warm clothes. Chester white pig. It's all white and has a strong body. It's raised for pork meat. Barnevelder chicken. It has shiny dark feathers with a green shine. It lays dark brown eggs.